Today, we will discuss Ansible and Nix. Both tools seek to automate the configuration of systems, though they employ different approaches. Both serve configuration management purposes, yet Ansible emphasizes the operational setup of current systems, while Nix prioritizes reproducible configurations and package handling. Both tools aim for uniformity in system or software configurations, minimizing the chances of error and discrepancies. Now let's examine the main feature of these two platforms. Ansible emphasizes automating the setup of current systems and launching applications. It employs a declarative method in which you specify the intended condition of your systems, and Ansible strives to realize that condition. It's without agents depending on SSH for communication with target systems. It's intended for operational activities like server provisioning, application deployment, and configuration modifications. Ansible employs playbooks that are carried out in an imperative manner, indicating the steps are executed in the sequence they are outlined. Nix is a tool for managing packages and system configurations, emphasizing reproducibility and isolation. It adopts a functional programming methodology, treating configurations as pure functions to guarantee that identical inputs consistently generate identical outputs. It establishes separate environments for packages and settings, avoiding conflicts and maintaining uniformity. It is intended for creating and overseeing software packages and system settings in a consistent manner. Nix is entirely declarative and centers on the final outcome. All in all, Ansible is used to automate operational tasks on existing systems. Nix is used to build and manage reproducible software packages and system configurations.